Okay, so continuing on from my CapCut series, I want to show you how to add stickers to your video now. So maybe you want to add a subscribe here sticker or a like my video sticker or link in description sticker. What we need to do is, it's really easy to add them. So first thing is, you've obviously got your video in the timeline, and then we need to just go up to this sticker option here, and then you just type in what you want. So let me just put subscribe, and then it will load up all of the different options. So here's some subscribe stickers you can see, and all you need to do to look at what they look like, you just click on it and it will show it up on the screen. And then if you want to try maybe a different one, you can do that. Then when you're happy, all you have to do is click this little plus button, and it will add it to wherever your timeline is sitting. So I've got my video subscribe button here as a sticker, and then what I might want to do is I might want to make it a bit bigger or a bit smaller. So in order to do that, you can either grab the corners and make it smaller and bigger, or you can come over here to this scale option and then you can make it smaller and bigger. You can also move it around the screen to place it where you want, and if you want it to go in a specific place on your timeline, you can just play your video. So I'm going to have it about there. You can just drag it along to where you want it as well. Now, another thing to say is that when the sticker appears on the screen,
thanks for watching this video.
It just appears. If you want it to be animated, you can go to the animation option, and you can either have it animated coming in
this video,
or you can have it animated going out.
So
or the way I like it is to have it as on a loop. So when it comes in, it actually keeps being animated and it keeps drawing your audience's eye to it. So for example, I could have this one.
So do give me the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.
So you can see that it's just wobbling. I quite like that. You can choose any of these. Some of them will be available to pro subscribers, some of them will be available to free. You can just choose whichever one suits your needs. So you have that there. I'm going to just pop that here, and then you just carry on, find another part of your video where you might want a sticker. It could even be an arrow to show people where to look. So you can just type in arrow, and then you'll get some different arrows. And of course, you just choose which one you want. So maybe I might go for this one because it's animated. Click the download button.
Scroll down,
and then add it in. And then again, resize it so it's a bit smaller. Move it around where you want it to go. You can actually even move the direction by using the wobble, sort of like the 360 button. Move it around. I'm going to pop it down here so it pulls people's eyes to it. Again, let's just have a little look.
Scroll down, and instead of having the S,
so I could just move it up a little bit there.
Our T file, we just click.
So then what I would like to do as well is to make the sticker last longer. So just drag it out till you are happy to end it. And then if you want to animate it again for it to come in, just go to animation. This time I probably just have it coming in as a bounce and then going out as maybe a fade. So then if you watch what it looks like coming in,
scroll down, and instead of
and then going out,
I'll click export.
So you can do that with any amount of stickers you want, and what CapCut will do is it will place it on the timeline at various places so that you can adjust it. And that's all you have to do to add stickers to your CapCut editing of your video. So thanks for watching. My name's Anita Wong. If you haven't tried CapCut before, I've dropped a link below so that you can go and try it out. And if you have any questions about using CapCut, drop them below this video, and like and subscribe to my channel so that you can watch more CapCut videos. And of course, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.